Hey there, I'm reviewing these women's running walking tennis shoes, a fantastic all-around choice for anyone who values comfort and performance in their footwear. The FlyLife design features a breathable mesh upper, which keeps my feet cool and dry, even during intense workouts or long walks. The material is lightweight, yet durable, making these sneakers perfect for running, gym workouts, or everyday errands. The cushioned insole provides excellent support, absorbing shock and reducing foot fatigue. I especially love the non-slip outsole, which offers great traction on various surfaces, from gym floors to outdoor trails. The shoes are also flexible and provide a good range of motion, which is great for cross-training and other dynamic exercises. Plus, they have a sleek, modern look that goes well with both athletic wear and casual outfits. If you're looking for versatile, comfortable sneakers that can handle a variety of activities, these are a top-notch option. Highly recommend for anyone in need of reliable and stylish workout shoes.